I'm not sure how long these curls are supposed to be, but it's been there for like 10 minutes. So let me take out one and see how it looks before I take out all of them all at once. But I can't really do that, I don't really have that much hands to do that, but yeah. Ew.
I don't wanna be with another man that is not you, 'cause you put me all the way together, just like glue. I don't wanna be with another man.
Yeah. Okay, it's not that bad. It's not bad. Let's see. Okay, I see. How much did I use in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bruh, there was actually 8 more. But there's actually 8 more of these that I could have used. But I was like thinking of a scarcity mindset that if I like did it by small sections to curl, I wouldn't have enough rods to do all at once. But as you can see, I've proven myself wrong. But the curls are not even curling. Maybe I should have left it for longer. Hey! It's doing like a lazy curl. Child. Yeah, I'm gonna have to curl it again. Try again. Let's come out of this place like this because I don't have time to take these rollers out. And I just put them in, and I'm not trying to have bad curls. Like, I'm not gonna have bad curls because of impatience or lack of time or fear of judgment when I go outside when people look at me. Because basically yesterday I put the colours in, but I only waited for like 5-10 minutes and I took them out, and then the curls were not curling. So this is gonna be me the whole way until I get to work. That's gonna be like 2 hours worth of curls. So the curls better be curling, because if not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe cry, scream, shout, listen to what I am. Guys and girls, this is the last time of me attempting to curl my hair. This time, I'm using hot water, as you can see. So, I'm just gonna do this. Okay. Put these inside. Okay. It's inside. Put like these ones. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hopefully it doesn't go in my face. I need to stop videoing before I put it in my face, okay? Okay. Now I'm using my towel to dry it. Okay. Dry. Okay. Curly's coming. Okay. So I've done like a quarter of my hair, I think. No, this one I didn't do. So I've only done like these 3. As you can see, I'm gonna tie it so that I just distinguish it and do the rest. Get what I mean? Just putting hot water on all of these curly rods. So now I'm gonna take it off, and hopefully the curls are curling because it's the last attempt. This is my 3rd try. So I went to work yesterday and somebody told me that I should put it was a black girl, she told me that I should put it in hot water. That's why it's not curling. And look at this. Oh, she was so right. Hot water's a miracle. Oh, the curls are curling. Oh my gosh, God is good though. Hey, God is good though. Hey, look at this. Okay, I see it. I even have a music event to go to today, so my hair better be on point, you know? First impression. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Hey. That's how long I have to go out, so I need to be quick. Need to be quick. Oh shit. I just basically broke this. But it's one of these, I don't got time for that. It's only one. It's still obvious. Okay. There we go. I've got the curls. Oh my gosh, my jacket is wet. Oh. I'm so beautiful. Let's go, baby. Maybe kind of get rid of this. So look at me now. Yes, pretty girly, pretty girly. Let me do with my hair back up, with my hair back and forth for y'all. But yeah, as you can see, I'm so beautiful. Oh my god! Wow! This is how I'm gonna style my hair. I know you wish you could be me, but you ain't me.